Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to create circle by 3 point. You can go to sketch and choose top plan, click OK. For example, I will draw a rectangle like this, and then I will set for width into 10, for height 10, and you can press enter to apply. Now, if you want to create circle by 3 points, you can click a circle icon. Click at this open stroke. Now you need to set for the first point. I will click in here. The second point, and then the third point. Now we create circle by using 3 point. Okay, you can use the circle tools. Click on the stroke option. Now you can set for first point, second point, and then the third point. Okay, that's it for basic ZW3D, how to create circle by 3 points. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.